some governors, I hear, there are some governors who say they will take away the structure and give back to somewhere. I pity those governors because I will put fire in their state. Simply because I hear they got some money from these signature voters. And so their heads are getting big. That you put hand in my own state. Prepare. Because I have the capacity. Also do the same to your own state. Whether you are from Bauchi, I don't give a damn. Whichever state you come from, as far as I know that you are trying to put yourself in River State, your hand will get bumped. And you will never sleep in your state. You will never do governance again, you will see political crisis. As far as Tinubu is concerned. So I've told them, now you have started. When I will start, don't say I'm the one that destroyed PDP. You are the one that trying to destroy PDP. Allow River State to conduct the affairs of the party. We are aware of these unstable characters. We know that they are joining APP. Let them wait during the time they should face us in the election. Don't bother about abuses. We have thick skin. We don't even know what abuse is. So don't think about it. Don't say anybody's abusing me. If I'm nothing, they will not abuse me.